Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So today I'm going to make a beautiful crochet bunny, and if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe, like, share my videos, and give a comment in a comment section, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So for this crochet bunny, I have taken this beautiful multicolor yarn. Size is medium and hook size is 3.5 mm. So let's start making our crochet bunny. First of all, we will make chain 50. After completing 50 chains, we will make half double crochet in first chain, and we'll make half double crochet in all the next chains till the end. At last, we will make half double crochet in the last chain. For the next round, we will make chain 2 and we'll turn the side, and we have to repeat the same procedure as we done before, that is half double crochet in all the chains. We have to repeat the same procedure of half double crochet in all the chain till the end. We have to complete 42 rounds of the same procedure of half double crochet in all the chains. Then we have to join the sides by using slip stitch. As you can see, this is very simple and easy to make a crochet beanie. We have to make 42 rounds of half double crochet, and then we have to join the two sides by using slip stitch. Now we will take a needle and thread and we'll join the side. As you can see how I inserted the needle, and then I have to stitch the side to make a beanie. So here is the final look after joining the side. You can see how beautiful crochet beanie. Now we will attach a beautiful crochet button of homemade. You can attach any of your desired button or anything else. As you can see, this is very beautiful and easy crochet beanie. Please do subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. If you are new on my channel, please make sure to press the bell icon. So here I have attached a pom-pom here to enhance its beauty. So here is the final look of my crochet beanie. Thank you so much.